Are you pondering what I'm pondering?
The longest commercial ever.
Because this one trying to do something new.
Something. It's something.
A childhood game turns into a lifetime of shenanigans. This is a comedy tag. John Hamm stars.
Okay, this is like coming attractions.
Yeah.
You got another channel? I can do it. I mean, I ain't gonna hold you up. I know you got a job to do. I ain't trying to hold you up for real. But you ain't even gotta do this. You ain't even. Soccer, hell no. Hell no, I'm already in here for bullcrap. I don't know, can't do Lifetime. Lifetime channel really sucks, man. Damn, man.
They don't have many channels, okay?
I can definitely tell. Oh my god. All this money, this place. All this money.